I can still remember the first time that we kissed, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we mess up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to that place? 'Cause I never wanted you to leave. Looking back on our past, I don't wanna be
So I think, so this is a 10 inch. I wanted to get the 8 inch, but I just felt like the 8 inch would be too short. This 10 inch actually might work once you wet it and it like shrivels up a little bit. Only problem that I'm having is that it's so big.
But at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to that place? Never wanted you to never wanted you to
So this again is it. Thank goodness for my first time I didn't call myself like filming it, putting the elastic band on, and it was a lot of work and surgery. This is the 10 inch, but I did cut like a little bit off on the sides. It's still soaking wet. I just put it underwater so I could get, you know, the wave pattern going. But I will turn the camera back on once it dries so I can see the, I guess, the full effect of it dry. And then I'll let you know what I think. No makeup on, eyebrows is looking crazy, so do not come for me in my house.